How to swap BTC to Sol in Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on swap over here or swap over here at the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to simply search over here. So normally this is what it would look like. You're going to click on the you receive option over here and you're simply going to search for WBTC. Now Bitcoin is called WBTC over here, which is the wrap BTC over here. So that is what it is called in our Phantom wallet. And you're just going to click on the swap icon over here in the middle to make them swap. So now over here, you could swap your BTC into Sol. So simply enter how much you want to transfer, or like it's super big over here. So let's say zero point 0.5. And you will be able to receive how much or a specific amount of Sol, as you can see. And after that, you're just simply going to click on this button, which should show trade if you have, of course, the sufficient amount. So that's basically how you are able to swap BTC to Sol. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.